Hey guys, it's Kaitlyn, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my college morning routine. So basically, I just sort of toss and turn for the first little bit of the morning. I usually have a couple alarms, and I try to wake up to the first one, but when I don't, I just toss and turn. Once I finally wake up, I scroll through Instagram, and this is my Instagram because I didn't really want to go through my feed. And then I usually watch a YouTube video or two if I wake up early enough. And I like to wake up early so I can watch people like Kaitlyn because she's one of my favorite YouTubers. And then I just lay down for a little bit and wake up eventually. So once I get out of bed, I'd usually make a cup of coffee, but my stupid Keurig is broken, so I have to go to the cafe to get coffee, which is what I'll do later. So what I do is I usually go to my closet and I sort of look through and pick out an outfit. It's been really cold lately, so I'm going to pick out something probably warmer. Then I go and pick out my pants, and these are like my go-to pants from Gap. So I'll lay out my clothes that I picked out, and then I go to the bathroom and I'll brush my teeth. Once I'm done brushing my teeth, if I'm feeling like it, I'm gonna wash my face with just some warm water. I don't use product in the morning to wash my face because if I do wash my face at night, I use product then. So I just rinse off my face if there are any oils on it. Next, I'm going to put on my clothes. So these are my pajamas, super cute. The shirt's from Brandy Melville and the shorts were from Forever 21. And then I have the top on, which is from H&M. And then the pants on, which like I said, are from Gap. And the scrunchie's from Urban Outfitters. Next, I'm going to just do the essentials, put on deodorant, and then I will either spray my face with my new rose water spray or I'll use my Pixie mineral water spray. And today I used the Pixie wake up mist and I just sprayed that all over my face. My face was dry, so I wanted to use that because it's more oily. Then I just rub that in. My hair was a little flat this morning even though I washed it yesterday, so I'm just going in with this dry shampoo because I didn't want my hair looking flat. So this really works to volumize your hair, and it smells like super good, so I definitely recommend this dry shampoo. Next, I'm not doing my makeup today because I actually do not have school today and I did not feel like doing my makeup. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some boy brow on and some moisturizer because like I said, my face is dry. So as you can see, the boy brow is super easy to put on. You literally just brush it through your eyebrows, and then I use a spoolie to brush that out to shape it, and then I'm all set. Next is when I'm putting on my moisturizer, and this is just the Neutrogena SPF 15 moisturizer, and it works really well. I usually use it in the summer, but just because it's the winter, I'm going to be using it because my skin is very dry. Next, I usually pick up if I have time to. If not, I just throw my bed together the best that I can. But today I have time since I don't have class, so I just take apart my bed and my mattress slides off literally every time I get up, so I have to fix it pretty thoroughly. And then I just put everything back on my bed and fold my blankets, and then we're all set. Okay, now I'm just picking up my room. When I change, sometimes I just drop my shirt and stuff on the floor, so I pick that up and put that away. And now I'm going to the cafe to get food because, like I said, I have time today, so I'm gonna take you guys to the cafe with me. Sometimes when I don't have time, I will make just a bowl of oatmeal in my dorm room because we have a hot kettle, or I will just go get my combo exchange downstairs, but today's a Saturday, so I cannot do that because that's only on weekdays. Also, my socks are from Madewell, and I'm in love with them. I think they were like $6 on Black Friday, so I was really happy about that because they have super expensive socks. Next, I just put on my parka and get ready, put on my favorite hat, and then I'm out the door. Now I'm on my way to the calf, and I thought I would just show myself traveling with my feet. So today I got an omelet with mushrooms, spinach, and tomatoes in it. I got some gross calf coffee, and then I got this cheddar broccoli soup, but it didn't taste good. But look how good my omelet was. Like, it tasted so good. They did a great job today. When I get back from the calf, I undress. I usually just take my backpack to the calf if I'm going to class after, but I didn't have class today, so that's usually what I would do. It usually end there, but I have extra time today, so you guys are going to see what I do on a weekend. So my desk area is still a little messy, so I'm going to clean that up. So I'm just cleaning up my desk area because I'm getting ready to work at it and take some notes. I'm just putting some notebooks away, and then I have some biology goggles for my lab. And since I was gone for break, my desk was sort of dusty and gross, so I just took a Clorox wipe to it because it literally was just gross. Next, I'm taking out my laptop and notebooks and stuff because I'm going to take some notes for biology, and I'm also going to check YouTube and see what's up, comment back to people, and just look at my analytics and such. And today I turned on my aromatherapy diffuser because I wanted my room to smell nice, and I love my aromatherapy diffuser. I always use it when I'm sitting at my desk usually. Okay, so right now I'm just on YouTube checking out what's going on, and just responding to comments and stuff. Right now I'm just getting onto YouTube. After I do that, I usually work on school stuff, and I don't have a ton this weekend, but I have a little bit of things that I could work on, so that's what I'm going to do. So once I get started on school stuff, I make sure to update my planner because I update it every day that I have school. So it's pretty updated right now, but there were a few things that I needed to add for me to do this weekend, so I'm going to add those things. This planner's from Rifle and Paper Company, and that's like one of my favorite stationery companies. The planners are pretty expensive, but if you're someone like me and you really need to plan out your days and you want a nice little journal to do it in, then it's worth investing the money in because I use it literally every single day. So now that my planner's all updated, I'm good with that. Like I said, I update it basically every single day, whether I'm in class or after I get out of class, just to make sure I stay organized. Then I'm putting on some music. Lately I've been listening to Vance Joy because he just came out with some new songs, and I've been listening to Lorde because she's always one of my top favorites. Next, I'm going to be working on bio, and this is the last thing I'm going to be doing for my morning routine, but basically I just have all the slides printed out, and I need to take the notes from class and put them on the slides, and then I'm going to copy all of those down into my notebook, but I don't show you guys that because that would be a long time to show. So as you can see, I'm just working on putting the notes onto the slides, And I'm just doing this for a little bit until I'm finished. So thank you guys so much for watching. I know that this video doesn't really have an ending, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week in another video. Thanks again for watching.